we got this new part I'm putting on. Let's take a look here. Look at this. You see this thing? That's a little stash cap. It's called Band for Life. And it's just long enough to stick some goodies into, and it fits right down in your forks. So you screw this in place of your normal cap, tighten it down. I'm supposed to use an Allen wrench, and I don't have the right size, but I've got one that might snug it up a little bit. Just gotta get it down in there, okay. Okay, that's not terrible. And then it's got a cap. And you see it's deep. You can stick a pretty good size hooter in there. And then this here cap is backwards threads, so that the cops can't figure it out because they're that stupid. They'll smell it though. They'll be all, what's that smell? You're supposed to tighten it with a coin after you get that in there. And that's it. Everybody loves that, right?